Before we start this video, I'd like to know from you, do you think this build will end up cheaper than buying a clean SVR? Or do you think I'm in way too deep? Let me know in the comment section down below. Welcome back guys, and welcome to another video. Now, today is the day I assume a lot of you have been waiting for, and that is breaking down the costs of the SVR. Behind me, I have Batman, and this is Robin. At the beginning, Robin was looking down and out, but we have managed to change that whole perspective. We have managed to flip the table on its head and get the final result. But trust me, even though Robin is not completely completed, even though Robin is not being fully completed, believe me, by the end of this, Robin is going to be something special. Everyone loves the idea of buying a cheap Range Rover SVR until the bill comes in. Because what looks like a bargain can quickly turn into a financial disaster. Today, I am breaking down exactly how much this Range Rover SVR cost me so far. Every pound, every mistake, and every surprise. The Range Rover SVR isn't just a normal SUV. It's a 5-litre supercharged V8, over 550 horsepower, built by Jaguar Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations Team. 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, and something that weighs over 2 tons. And this one came like this. And this is the moment where you realize this build is either going to be amazing or very expensive. Number one, the purchase. Let's start with the big one. I picked this Range Rover SVR up from auction for £5,600. Sounds like a bargain, considering these can easily go for £60,000 to £90,000. But here is where most people get caught out: the fees. Auction fees, buyer's fees, transport. Suddenly, that cheap SVR isn't looking so cheap anymore. Getting the car back from Stantoff back to Birmingham wasn't free either. Transport, fuel, time, it all adds up. Transport and recovery, that cost me a total of £280. So all the fees totaled up to an amount of £1,658.59, and that is including all of the fees. And let's be honest, the stress probably has its own price to pay as well. Next up, security. Now with these cars, you need top tier security just to have that peace of mind. Expensive, yes. Necessary, 100%. Now here is where things get interesting. All the security cost me a total of £1,087.13. Next up are the tools, because I decided I wasn't going to be paying someone else to fix this, which means I had to invest in my own setup. Impactors, torque wrenches, diagnostic tools, everything you need to even attempt working on a car like this. And trust me, on an SVR, nothing is simple. Tight engine bays, complex electronics. This isn't your average DIY car. Now, this is where things start getting painful. And then we have the parts. SVR parts aren't cheap. Even the small pieces can cost hundreds, and the big ones, thousands. Those signature SVR headlights alone can cost more than some entire cars. And this is including everything. Things like the bumper, headlights, sensors, the wing mirrors, everything that needed to be done for this SVR to make it look brand new. And this came to a total of £6,461.10. And this is the crazy part. We're only getting started. But this isn't just about money. It's about learning, building, and turning something broken into something incredible. Next up, we have the alloys. Now, the original alloys, there was nothing wrong with them. And these alloys that I bought were originally meant to go on the Bentley Continental GT. Now, when I bought these, I didn't realise I bought the wrong size, meaning there was only one place for them to go. And that was straight onto Robin. And I can tell you, these have turned out amazing. They look incredible on the SVR. So all in all, these alloys cost me a total of £1,050. And now for the final part, we get onto the bodywork. When I picked this car up, it had been through a bit of damage, to say the least. The passenger side was completely ruined, and I needed to find somewhere that could bring this back to life. So I called a friend who had looked after me with the Ford Fiesta, and they managed to take out all of the dents, fill all the patches, and paint the car back to brand new. And I can tell you, they done an amazing job, to say the least. It came out better than my expectations, and I can't thank them enough. So to get everything painted, that is including the bumpers, passenger side doors, and the wing, this cost me a total of £1,500. So I think we have got to our grand total. For those who are interested that want to know about the additional costs, like the insurance and the road tax set me back £760 for the year. And the insurance, I got that for £2,560.09, which for a Range Rover SVR isn't too bad, let's be honest. Now, this has been a long journey where I have learned so much along the way, and I am confident I will learn a lot more in the future. And I just want to say a massive thank you for everyone who's watching the videos, because without your support, I wouldn't be able to make these videos. Now, let's get to it. The grand total for this SVR, including purchasing it and all of the above, came to £26,586.82. Now, those are saying that is fairly expensive and you should have just bought clean SVR. I wouldn't have picked up all the experience I had, and in all honesty, SVRs with this type of mileage and this spec are reaching around £28,000 to £30,000. So in all, I don't think I've done that bad of a job, and who knows, I may have made a little bit of a profit on this. Next time, we will be getting all the final parts done on this SVR, ready to take Robin on a European trip. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.